Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a E1 handset and a handset cord. This is Jack's equipment from Washington. And Jack has had E1 handsets converted before, and now he wants this E1 handset converted, and we upgrade it. We install an electronic amplified transmitter that we build and design here at the shop, and we'll be installing that in the transmitter section. And we also want to upgrade the receiver. Now, Jack has also ordered electronic amplified transmitters before so that he can simply install them in a 302 or an F1 handset. He's ordered another one, and we already have that built for him. And now what we want to do is we want to get a start on this unit. Now, we'll go ahead and give you a look at the handset. And basically, we need to make a few changes here at the transmitter. We have our F1 transmitter, and over time these get noisy and they can kind of sizzle, crack, and pop. But this transmitter, he just wants to go ahead and replace and upgrade the receiver. We'll set that back here. Then, of course, we have our cup and then the cover for it. And we'll be installing that transmitter in the place of the F1. Now, he's already taken the receiver capsule out, which would have been a metal diaphragm and then a little electromagnet. And that's been taken out. Now, earlier we removed a little more of the inside of the receiver area that would hold the receiver capsule. And that's so that we can upgrade this unit. So we'll set all these pieces here. And of course we have our cloth handset cord, and that will get installed at the same time. So we want to go ahead and get a start on this equipment. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this cool equipment. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this E1 handset, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup that we use in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. And we usually use this. This time we cannot use it because the amplified electronic transmitter that we installed in this handset is amplified, and so is the pickup. It will feed back. So we're just going to hold the receiver up to the video, and we're pretty sure that you'll be able to hear that. Now, here is the F1 that originally came out of this handset. We'll return that to Jack because we don't have any use for it at the shop. Now, this electronic amplified transmitter we went ahead and built for Jack because he wants that to install in a 302 handset. And he's ordered them before, and it's a very simple process of connecting them in. You can't get them backwards. You can use either lead, connect it to the connections, and it's a pretty simple plug and play basically situation. Now we want to go ahead and talk about our 3 leads on our handset cord. And there is several different ways that you can configure the wires for these. We have a network off to the side that we have this hooked up to, but there's several different ways that you can configure a handset to a telephone, And since we don't have the telephone that he's going to be wiring this E1 handset to, we can't wire it for him. So he may have to try a few different configurations, and then he'll know when he's got it right. So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and we want to plug our unit in. But I want to take dial tone away, so I'm going to basically plug it in, but I'm going to kind of bring it out and put it right back in because I want to take dial tone away. It sees the analyzer, and then we dial to 1 basically. And I'm pretty far back away from this handset, and as you can see this red light, how bright it is. Every time you see that red light, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we build these transmitters very sensitive, and there'll be plenty of transmit power. Now I'm going to go ahead and unplug the line cord, and I'm going to bring dial tone back to the receiver. We seize the analyzer. Give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and use another telephone, and we'll dial a time and temp number, and then we'll push our button on the switch box, and that gives us a line out. We'll be able to tie into that call, and then we'll hang up the other telephone that we're using. So we'll go ahead and dial that number now.
The time is 11:25. Current temperature 36 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area.
Much colder today, partly cloudy skies and becoming mostly cloudy with highs around 40. Mostly cloudy this evening, lows in the mid-20s. Partly cloudy on Friday, then becoming sunny, highs around 40.
Okay. We can go ahead and go back over to the analyzer. We're going to go ahead and unplug our line cord here. We want to disconnect the handset, and we want to come over here and connect our transmitter up. And then we'll plug our handset in, our transmitter, and then we'll go ahead and so we've dialed to 1 basically and caused dial tone to go away, and we're transmitting on our transmitter now that is going to go in the 302 that Jack has. And once again, you can see how bright that light is. That's an indication of 100% modulation. Every time you see that light light up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and unplug our unit. Now that we know that the handset has been upgraded with the electronic amplified transmitter and the receiver has been upgraded, and we have our electronic amplified transmitter built for the 302 that Jack has, we can return this equipment. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.